Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix can't follow people on TikTok. So the first thing that you're going to do here once you open your TikTok app is by clearing your cache. So gonna tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to open up your profile page. Now from here, just need to tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy. And then here, find the free app space and then tap on that. So once you tap on free app space, need to find the clear button. So tap on clear cache. Once you've done, you can now go back to your profile and try to follow people on TikTok. Now, if the problem persists, you just need to restart your TikTok app. So to do that, you just need to swipe out your TikTok app to close that application and just reopen this one. But if the problem persists, maybe you've been following too many people. So you just need to wait for 24 hours and just need to reopen your TikTok app. And sometimes the reason is your internet connection. So you just need to check your Wi-Fi connection and your cellular data connection. So you just need to swipe down to show your notification panel, and here you can actually turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi or your data to check your internet connection. Now the last one here, if the problem persists, you now go to TikTok support. Now to do that, go to your profile page, tap on the profile icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here on your profile page, just need to tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. And then you just need to tap on this settings and privacy. Now from here, scroll down until you find report a problem. Now here, once you tap on that, you just need to wait for a few seconds here. And then we just need to use the search box at the top. So we're gonna tap on the search box and we're gonna type right here, cannot follow people. And then as you can see, it will show you some results right here. Now I want you to choose right here, which is the unable to follow a user. So you just need to tap on the third one, and basically it will give you some instructions, step-by-step guide on how you can fix the problem on your TikTok. But if it's not enough here to find a solution, you just need to scroll down till you find is your problem resolved. You just need to tap on no, and then here at the bottom you'll find another option right here, need more help, so tap on that. And then here on this page, you just need to describe the problem. You can actually attach a picture or video. And then once you've done, just need to tap on this submit button. And here you just need to wait for the TikTok support to fix your problem. And that's how you basically fix can't follow people on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.